So now we have this beautiful letter-sized canvas waiting for us to add images to. In this case, we're working on our custom Stars They're Just Like Us project. So let's add in our images. So we're going to go up to File, go to Place Embedded, and the order that you add these in really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to find my first image, place it, drag it off to the side, and click the check mark or press enter to go to add the next image. File, place embedded. Let's go find our Kardashian working as an arborist. And I'm just going to do a quick resize on this. This is not final placement. Just want to drop it somewhere. Click the check mark on the top menu bar or press enter to agree to the temporary placement. Here we go again. File, place embedded, and we will find our next version here, which is Harry Styles as a dentist, and we can agree to that. The last image that I want you to add, which I've offered to you on the assignment, is the Stars They're Just Like Us circle graphic. So File, place embedded, and let's go find that graphic. And here it is, place. Okay, so I'll click on the check mark on the top menu bar just to agree that I placed that. I'll drag it over here for a second. So if you look in your layers panel in the lower right, you will see that now you have all these different layers. Let's talk about layout a little bit here, right? So let's look at a Stars They're Just Like Us sample page. Okay, so here's a sample layout from an actual Stars They're Just Like Us print page from the literary journal known as Us Weekly. And you'll notice that what they have are super simple captions like that. They have these pop out, and you'll notice if we study the layout deeply, they of course have the Stars They're Just Like Us logo. Doesn't have to be in the middle. You can place it wherever you want. You'll notice that in between the images, there is a reasonably similar amount of space. We don't have to be perfect with that, but do your best, right? Okay, what else do they have? Well, they have exciting captions. What does this one say? Shia LaBeouf and his mom pick up their checked bags after landing at LAX. And then a little date. That is so cool. I feel just like him. They also have these really exciting and dynamic pop-out chunks of text. So we're going to work with all of the text in a separate tutorial. But what I want you to look at here is think about the overall layout of the images and leave room to either put the caption in a corner of the image like this, or it can be, in some cases, in between images if you need to fill a little space. So let's go back to our layout and see what we can do. Okay, so there is no right way. Don't copy my layout. Be your own person. Am I right? So I'm going to drop Harry right about there. What happens if I go full with him? And then I'm going to click on the move tool and move Kim up here like this, like so. And I'll click on the check mark to agree to that. And then I'm going to click on Tom Cruise fishing for the Mission Impossible 38 crew. And I'll pop that in just like that. Now, you'll want to spend a little more time getting things aligned. I want to save you time watching this layout tutorial. So let me last leave you with this. What if you have a situation where your logo looks like that? It's partly underneath one of the other images. Remain calm. Look to your layers panel and look for the layer for the stars logo. It's called stars text. And you can just drag that up so that it is now the top layer, and you can place it wherever you feel like it's going to be a good fit. Stay tuned for a follow-up tutorial that will show you how to add the exciting text to this dynamic piece of literary Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.